Friday. And yeah, I'm gonna be taking a Civic to work today. Don't really have anything else to do, so yeah, I'm gonna be taking a Civic to work. Hopefully it should be a fun, chill day. Oh my god, this damn cherries. Yeah, so let me uncover this car and hit the road. Alright, got the car out. Let's head to work for a long, well, I think it's gonna be long, but it's gonna be a hot day. Let's go. I never catch anything on camera, like reaction or anything. Some Spanish guy was like, "Mira, that's a muffler on the side?" I was like, "Yeah." "You don't got a muffler in the back?" I was like, "Nah." He was like, "You cut it to the side?" I was like, "Yeah, because the turbo's right there, so it just goes right through the side easy." He's like, "Ah, that shit is nice, man." Spanish Puerto Rican accent, so funny. Boom, loaded up. Come on, man, it's a real street car. Look at that. Gotta fix these back wheels. This one, with the weight, got cambered more, but I don't know, man. I don't know if I should leave it the way it is. If you guys can see, I feel like it's cambered, but it's like perfect. And then this one over here, I feel like sticks out a little bit more. Yeah, I think this one sticks out a little bit more. You can see from right here. But I don't know if I should leave it like that or like this one. This one's just a little bit. I'm just gonna pull that one out. I'm gonna pull that one out a little bit more. Then we should be fine. We should be even. Wow, this car is packed. I don't know, guys. Let me know. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take it out a little bit because it should look like some stands, but it should, I feel like. Let's see if you see this one poking out more. Actually, my car's never been this packed. Like, packed everywhere. And the trunk is full. I'm gonna leave the wheels because the wheels are fine. It's just since they have so much weight, obviously the wheels get cambered in. So, alright, let's hit the road. Dude, this is what I gotta go through. All these Jews are here waiting to go around the block to some place that's giving out like free food at like a school. Been on this block for 15 minutes because they literally park right in front of the light and do not give a fuck. And my AFRs are shit right now. It's literally idling at 18. Might be time for some spark plugs. Car's acting so funny at idle. I think it needs new plugs, but you guys can't see the temperature, but the car's staying at 161 degrees, and it's like probably like 80 degrees today. Probably like not even. It's like 85. It's going up to like 90, but it's definitely probably like 85 right now. The car temperature is staying perfect. It's literally staying at 181. Regular eBay radiator, stock regular fan also. car is definitely acting a little weird. I was doing this last time, but I'm just gonna pick up some plugs, swap them out, get them to 18,000s, and see what happens from there. I'm literally adding at 18 on the AFR. So I'm gonna check that, and I'm gonna check to see if the bolts like on the turbo and the turbo manifold are tying down. Because if it has a little leak, it this could also happen too. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with my AFRs, but see that? I don't know. I'm gonna get some plugs probably this week. I'm gonna try to get them this week. If I get them today, I'll probably try to get them today. Yeah. I remember the last time this happened too, my old manifold was cracked. I know this one is not cracked, but I'm gonna check to make sure that the flange from the manifold and the turbo are clamped down and the bolts are good. Because obviously if there's like some air, then it won't, the AFR won't be right, tune will be off and all that too, so let's see. What the hell is that? It's like they didn't even want to crank. Then it stopped cranking. Look. What the fuck? Didn't crank. There's some small little shit with this car, man. So weird. I think I see the issue. Looks like the wire that goes to the starter. See it? It's loose. Grab my Allen key cell real quick. Just like that, fixed it. Starter cable was loose, and so was the other one also. That's from just the vibration of the motor and stuff. But did it. It got fixed. Good to go. I got 5 more stops I gotta do. The last one is all the way by my house. So then I had to go to my cousin's house to go pick up some stuff, head back home, and then I think I might meet up with Julio after. And if he's okay with what he has, showing it to you guys, then we'll go from there. If not, then you guys gonna have to wait. Man, I can't wait to finish. But I'm not gonna take this car to go to my cousin's house. I'm gonna take the CRV. Cruise over there, chilling in the AC. If you guys, and also I've been streaming on Xbox, playing Warzone with the boys. So if you guys don't have me, go follow me. It's twitch.com, Steven Ocasio, and it's underscore, this underscore at the end, and you'll see it. I'll probably put the description in the link below. Yeah, but no, a couple of people see me get on and play. You seen your boy cook. I be cooking in Warzone. Actually, I was streaming yesterday. The thing is that I streamed like around 12 and stuff like that when I put my daughter to sleep. But I was streaming yesterday. A few people was there. You guys see me and my team catch a dub yesterday, going in. So, the only thing is I can't figure out how to get the people to talk. But I think if they include their chat, I think it works. So I gotta figure that out. But I think if they include their chat in the party, like when we're in a party, we'll be good. Alright guys, so I'm doing my last stop, which is all the way by the house. I'm driving over there right now. I had to put the camera down because the camera was literally on fire, but on my way right now to do my last stop by the house. Probably gonna get some food before that because your boy is starving. But yeah, been pretty good. Car's still doing the same shit. I'm gonna just buy some plugs and see what happens. I'm so hungry. 3 o'clock right now. I get some food. Probably gonna get some McDonald's real quick and just eat it in the parking lot. Then do the delivery. Alright, just got my food. My feet hurt from these sneakers. I'm taking my shoes off. Got my steering wheel up there. Ready to eat. Hand sanitizer turned into like liquid. But, oh, there's a whole bunch. Clean my whole hands. Alrighty. Let's see. Alright, this is my last delivery. I was gonna pick up the CRV and just chill with the AC, but I'm already far. I ended up going to another location for the last delivery, so I'm just gonna go straight from here and just it takes me 40 minutes to get over there, so whatever. Does not feel right. I gotta change the plugs. I mean, I've been driving the car for a long time too, so the car is hot. But definitely feels like it needs plugs or something. The car's like dying out. Change these. I gotta definitely change the plugs. Hi, what up guys? Forgot to close the video as usual, but as you guys see, did my hair and everything. So I just wanted to say thank you guys again for watching this video. I know it was a kind of like a chill whatever video. I just wanted to put something out there for you guys. It's just a day at work. You guys seen it, but you guys always request me doing like, you know, just a chill point of view video. Obviously I wasn't getting on the car because it was hot as hell that day. I ain't trying to heat soak the car. I'm gonna buy some plugs this week. I think I'm gonna buy some plugs. I drove the car yesterday and the car was idling normal, so I don't know if it was because of the weather, because it was humid or not, but it's a car, man. These things always give issues or whatever, so I'm going to put in some plugs and check if, like I said, check if the turbo and everything is tight and all that. So thank you guys again for watching, and please like this video and subscribe again, guys. Let's hit 30,000 subscribers. I'm almost at 23,000 already. So I know it's been like kind of like a, you know, lack of videos a little bit, but it's just because it's just work and it's hard to get like videos out with nothing really to do and not having like car shows or events or track days, any of like that. So all of that stuff is closed. So I'm trying my best. So hopefully, you guys appreciate that. I'm trying to put out like content here and there. I'm trying to put out content here and there whenever I could. So please, guys, bear with me. Better stuff is gonna come. I actually have another video dropping after that. So make sure you watch the next video also, guys. So my wife surprised me with these masks, which are pretty dope. The white logo behind it, because that's the way she sent it. It was like a surprise for Father's Day. So that actually came out good. If I do my own, I'm gonna do it obviously without the white. So my question is, I put up a poll on Instagram. If you guys are not following me, follow me, Steven Ocasio, same as my Instagram. If I should sell these, a lot of people say yeah. Do you guys want me to stock these and sell them? Please comment down below. Let me know. I'm gonna hit up the company. I'm gonna hit up the place where I get all my clothes done from, and see if they're making them and how can I get these made. If so, please leave a like and comment down below if you will get one of these and if I should get them done. So they're pretty nice. They're pretty dope. Good material. This is done from another person, so obviously I'll be checking out the material from the other company. But let me show you how this guy looks. So guys, this is how it looks. Pretty dope. Obviously I didn't see how this one was made, so I'm gonna try to see how the other company can make it. The only thing I know, it'll be better if this was like, you know, I had a part to grab onto your nose. But I mean, the material and everything is good on these. So yeah, I mean, let me know, you guys, if I should stock these. Obviously I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna see how the other company makes it and stuff. And yeah, so let me know, guys. Build to enjoy. Hold on. Build to enjoy. Peace out.